easy to have an expensive bride price. You know, babes, you know what it means. Sir, guys, we didn't see one of our beautiful, beautiful sponsors. Woolden. Please give a round of applause. All that excitement at happy hour. Did you see all that? You gotta thank them. Please give a round of applause to them. You know, I'm gonna shine the spotlight on you guys. If you guys can take a second, one of you guys, please stand up, show us so you can talk about your brand. Because we want to make sure that people, you guys listening, make sure you guys support our people and their businesses, right? You know what I'm saying? If it's not for our sponsors, where would we be? Yeah, we won't be here, right? So, woman, come on, talk a little bit about what you're all about. Shine. It's about you.
Thank you, everyone. What an amazing evening. Viva Ikwenu. Viva Ikwenu. That was not intentional. But we just want to say thank you again. It was an amazing opportunity to be a part of this, you know, to see people who look like us. You know how hardworking we are. And this is just a celebration of culture. Just look at the beautiful outfits we've seen this evening. So we want to encourage you to support them. But anyway, we want you to support all of the artists you've seen this evening. I'm thoroughly entertained. The outfits are beautiful. And I'm so proud of our heritage and who we are. A little bit about our brand. We really started Bolden because we saw an opportunity in the marketplace. There was a big gap in the beauty space in terms of making products that was for us, that where we were not an afterthought. You know, when someone is essentially thinking about you when they're formulating a product. You know, we're used to going to the store and trying so many different things to find out what works. You know, we spend such a great proportion of our income on beauty. If you think of what we spend on hair care, skin care. You know, for the longest time, nobody told us we needed to wear sunscreen. Or we thought we had melanin, so we were protected. Yes, we're blessed to have melanin, and, you know, black doesn't crack. But we can do better. You know, the science tells us that the #1 cause of premature aging is sun exposure. So if you think of all the women in Nigeria who probably are in their 30s but look 55 because they are market women, that's the sun. So that high life is not for us. We all want soft life. So do yourself a favor, wear sunscreen every day. Every day. So we will help you if you stop by our booth. We
Ladies and gentlemen, as I continue to walk around and see beautiful faces, how many of you are first-time goers, first-time comers? Oh, there's a lot of you. I'm very excited to see all of you. So for those who are first-timers, please raise your hand again. All right, so this gentleman right here, please stand up, sir. Don't worry, I won't do anything. I sweat hard. Please introduce yourself.
I'm from Imo State. I'm related to this one right here. Brothers and sisters, this one. I'll shut up. Hear you.
So what is one thing that you're looking forward to, or a couple of things that you're looking forward to as a first timer?
I'm open to anything. I'm just getting, the experience. So whatever happens, happens.
I'm going to walk on this side now. Good job, everybody. Give a round of applause to my brother. Yeah. Shine your eye. I said this. Shine your eye. Let me walk this side. How many of you are first timers? Don't be shy. I was once a first timer. Hey. Who's that? There's some fine people out here. We need more of them. Hello? Raise your hand again. Hi, sir. Please, stand up. Don't be shy. And tell them what you're doing at this convention, please. Sell your market.
I'm a civil servant. And James, she had them now. So I'm on Imo State. So let me begin that way. I'm one of the founders of Talk Nigeria, where our goal is to humanize mental health in the Nigerian community. So tomorrow we have a session at 8:30. Okay, everyone at 9. But it's going to be a great session, and we are also giving a raffle away we're going to pay for 16 therapy sessions to a lucky participant. So come out. This is my first shoe out here. I'm super excited to be here. I heard a lot about it, so I hope it's a good time. So thank you guys, and all the guys, don't collect any big tonight. The big boys are coming tomorrow.
Of course, from Imo State. Like I said, is a multi-talented Afro R&B artist. Are you ready for him? All right, I present to you Fortune in collaboration with All Things Accra by Nikki